Hi friends, are you ready to play with sounds today? We're learning some super cool digraphs. Let's go, let's say them together. Let's start with cheese. Cheese is a yummy, creamy food made from milk. It can be soft or hard, yellow or white, and it's great on pizza, sandwiches, or just by itself. It's like a tasty treat that goes with every bite. Next up is shark. A shark is a big fish with sharp teeth and a strong tail that swims fast in the ocean. It has fins on its back and loves to explore the sea. Some sharks look scary, but many are just cool ocean creatures doing their thing. Here comes the thumb. A thumb is the short, chunky finger on the side of your hand that helps you grab, hold, and give thumbs up. It's like your hand's little helper buddy that makes everything easier. High five, thumb power. Now say phone. A phone is a cool gadget you can use to talk to people, see their faces, or even play games and watch videos. It's like a tiny computer you can carry in your pocket. Hello, fun and friends. Let's try whale. A whale is a giant animal that lives in the ocean and spouts water from a hole on its head. It sings deep songs, swims with its big tail, and is like a gentle giant of the sea. Now let's say whole. Whole means something is complete or not missing any parts, like a whole apple that hasn't been bitten, or a whole puzzle with all the pieces. It's all there, nothing left out. Now it's fang. A fang is a long, pointy tooth that some animals use to bite or catch food. It's like a tooth with superpowers, perfect for creatures like snakes, wolves, or even vampires in stories. Next is sink. A sink is a bowl-shaped spot in the kitchen or bathroom where you wash your hands, face, or dishes. It has a faucet that brings water and a drain where the water goes swish, swish away. Now let's try ghost. A ghost is a pretend, spooky spirit that some people say floats around and goes boo. But don't worry, they're just part of fun stories and dress-up games for Halloween. Here comes laugh. Laugh means to make a happy sound when something is funny or silly. It's like your tummy and mouth say, ha ha ha, because you're having so much fun. Try this one, write. Write means to use a pencil, pen, or crayon to make words or letters on paper. It's how you tell stories, share ideas, or even make cards for someone you love. Now say duck. A duck is a cute bird with webbed feet, a flat bill, and loves to swim in the water. It quacks loudly and waddles around on land. Ducks are super fun to watch when they splash in ponds or float on lakes. And last is knife. A knife is a tool with a sharp edge that grown-ups use to cut food like fruits, veggies, or sandwiches. It's not a toy, so it's only for adults to use carefully. Wow, you did amazing. You learned 14 digraphs today. Cheese, shark, this, thumb, phone, whale, hole, fang, sink, laughed, write, duck, and knife. See you next time, friends.